There are many products available to choose solar panels, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best solar panels from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jackery SolarSaga 100. The Jackery SolarSaga 100 continues to be our favorite solar panel for camping. Our testers found this 100-watt panel is easy to use, lightweight, and effective in full and partial sun. It's more affordable than many competing models, but it works better than those models. Whether it's a sunny day or overcast, this solar panel managed to charge devices with impressive speed. When not in use, the SolarSaga quickly folds flat and weighs just over 10 pounds. This low weight and simple fold in half design makes it easy to pack this panel into the car for a camping trip. At the campsite, its built-in handle made it a breeze to carry, and fold-out legs quickly deployed so we could point it directly at the sun and make the most of those morning and evening rays. It has a USB-A, USB-C, and a DC output to plug directly into your solar camping power station. Number 2. BigBlue SolarPowa 100 ETFE. The BigBlue SolarPowa 100 ETFE is a high-value panel for a solar camping setup. This panel costs less than almost every other panel we tested, but performed above average in nearly every test we threw at it. It's lightweight, has a carry handle, and folds once into an easy-to-haul package. You'll quickly be able to load this into your car, then unload it to your solar generation station at the campsite. It has fold-out legs to angle directly at the sun to take advantage of low-angle sunlight. And it comes with a plethora of adapters, making it easy to hook up to just about any power station from any brand. This makes the SolarPowa 100 much more affordable, since you won't have to buy extra cables or adapters. We found almost everything about the SolarPowa 100 is easy to use and effective, but this model lacks a place to store the charging cable and all the included adapters. Number 3. Dokio 110W 18 volts portable kit. The Dokio 110W 18 volts portable kit is one of the least expensive panels we tested, and by far the most affordable panel that still works well as a solar panel. We didn't have high hopes for this model because it was so inexpensive. But after purchasing and using it, while it's not the most efficient, we found it punches well above its price point. This 110-watt panel is also very portable. It is nearly paper thin and weighs less than most other 100-watt models. It also comes with a separate solar charge controller, so you can use this to charge a battery without an integrated solar charge controller. This can potentially save you even more money, because portable power stations are more expensive than standard leisure batteries. While the Dokio panel is very inexpensive and portable, it performed below average during our direct and indirect solar charging speed tests. Number 4. EcoFlow 110. Testers agree, the EcoFlow 110 is an excellent panel for reliable performance in any condition, rain or shine. This fully waterproof model uses universal standard solar connectors that won't let water into the connection point. These are the same connectors found on permanently mounted solar panels, which means these connectors and the EcoFlow panel are rated to work in the rain. It also performed better in cloudy conditions than most other panels, so it will be able to keep your office in the woods up and running even if you have to work under a canopy tent. It has one of the highest power outputs in full sun, so you can quickly charge your power station. It comes with a zippered carrying case that doubles as a support to angle the panel at the sun. This case makes it easy to transport the panel and any cables you need to hook it up. Number 5. Renogy 100W Foldable. The Renogy 100W Foldable is a rigid aluminum-framed panel and is as beefy as a permanently installed solar panel but with a hinge for transport. It is seriously sturdy and feels practically bomb-proof compared to many of the thin, flimsy panels we tested. With this level of construction, we'd be tempted to semi-permanently install it on the top of our van or camper, except that it also has some of the best angling legs we've seen. With screw adjustments and beefy metal legs, this panel can be angled perfectly into the sun and is unlikely to get blown over in anything but the wildest storms. It's one of the most efficient panels we tested in direct and indirect sunlight, and and is fully waterproof, so no matter the weather, this will keep the power flowing. All this burly construction makes the Renogy 100W one of the heaviest, bulkiest solar panels you can reasonably transport in the trunk of a car. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.